Hey guys, for today's video, I really want to show you the Kia Baby's baby car mirror I just got. It's great for keeping an eye on your baby while driving, especially for me when I'm on those busy errand days. I honestly just feel a lot more at ease being able to check on him while keeping my eyes on the road. Thanks to its design, your line of sight is tall and wide enough to view your baby from head to toe. Plus, it's super easy to install. I didn't even need any tools, thank God. And it's completely adjustable, 360 degrees around for total optimization. This mirror fits on any headrest. Just secure it in place, then connect the straps in the back and tighten it until it's secure. Also, in the event of an accident, you'll be glad to know that this mirror is shatterproof, crash tested, and safety certified. So it's perfectly designed to keep you and your baby safe at all times. This mirror is such a necessary car accessory for me, I cannot imagine driving without it. Trust me, you're gonna love the baby car mirror from Kia Babies.